Good morning, everybody. I was telling everybody to buy yesterday. All the futures were in the buy zone. You can see Nasdaq touched buy zone, third standard deviation. This was a no-brainer buy, and look what happened today. Already pre-market is sell zone. All right. You can see here 1.29% pump pre-market already. You can see very nice. You can see how nicely this indicator predicted everything for you. Uh, um, S&P 500, same thing. Fell below third standard deviation. No brainer buy here. All right. And you can see how nicely came from sell zone to the buy zone already before market open, 1% pump. Same thing with Dow Jones. All right. Came from buy zone to the sell zone, 0.94% pump. Russell 2000, same thing. Dust, second standard deviation, green buy zone to where we are right now, 1.67% pump. So you can see how again and again and again and again this indicator always predicts and always nails it to the dot when to buy, when to sell. Crude oil, you can see touched the buy zone just this morning, just now around 8:32 a.m. Touched it and now it's going to bounce. Crude oil is going to bounce. You can see it was in sell zone very, very nicely, guys. What else you need? Best indicator ever. Here you go. From sell zone to buy zone, and now it's in the buy zone. Should be looking to buy crude oil, looking to buy oil miners, CNQ, XOM, XLE, name it. You should be looking to buy. Oil is going to pump, guys. This is my prediction. Oil is going to pump from here. It's going to go here to 3% up. All right. Gold touched the sell zone. You can see came very close to the buy zone yesterday. Here came very close and now to the sell zone. See, nice 9%, 0.9% pump. Silver in the middle. We don't do anything in the middle. Natural gas up 3%. You can see touched buy zone multiple times. Was here since 3 p.m. I mean 3 a.m. Sorry, 3 p.m. to 11, I think. And now it's bouncing. Almost 4% pump. Bitcoin. Bitcoin came to buy zone here, bounce, and now still hovering near sell zone. Okay, so gotta be careful here on Bitcoin. Look to take profit. Do not look to go long here. Okay, Ethereum. We can see came actually touched buy zone perfectly and went to sell zone. 5.6% pump in one day. All right. So now it's in the sell zone. So be very very careful here. Bond market also near sell zone. Hang Seng Index, China going towards sell zone. All stocks looks like going towards sell zone. Copper going towards sell zone. Palladium going towards sell zone. Um, soybeans. Okay, soybeans is a one-off near buy zone. Wheat near neutral zone. Corn still in the buy zone. Sugar. Oh wow, down another 3%. Very good. Very good. Very good. This is where I wanted to buy. So I'm going to look into daily chart of sugar a bit. No, it's just going straight down. But it is where it should be looking to find support. This is exactly where I was looking for sugar to find support. Let's see, let's see. Good areas to buy, I think. Very, very oversold short term. 1 hour chart. You can see start to make some divergence. Price is going lower. RSI is going higher. Gotta be careful here. Do not short here. Looking to buy sugar. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. I might be looking to get some gain shares, CANES ETF. All right, stock wise, I think everything is bouncing. Tesla, I told everybody, shared a screenshot in the buy zone. Now it's in the neutral zone up. You can see all these are up. Okay, Nvidia I was telling to buy near third, second standard deviation, now bouncing. Okay, all these stocks are up. Everything is up. Um, yeah, there's nothing much to say. Actually, is still a bit down. Looks like flat. No, it's still near neutral zone. So I don't see anything else because everything is up pre-market. So I don't know what to buy right now because everything is already pumped. You might want to wait for this thing to actually XOM looks like a pre-market red. So you can see XOM. There's a gap fill around I think 100.9. That's a good area to enter. Next gap is around 99.03. I think or 4. This is like a second. So XOM is still not pumped yet. Everything else is pumping because oil is a bit weak. But again, I said before, oil is in the buy zone, so you look to buy. Okay, you look to buy red items. You don't look to buy green items. All right. Uh, All right, so it's in the sell zone. Futures will be open. Cash market will be open on a gap up. SPY 1 hour chart. If I go to regular trading hours, it will be opening on a gap up. You can see here, um, here, okay? So it will come back down, fill this gap, and then go higher. All right. Triple Q, same thing, gap up. Gonna come back down and then go higher. Okay. If you want, I can mark these gaps. So here you go. So here you go. Green, SPY. This is where I want to see gap to be filled. Actually, you have to do it on every chart. All right. All indices are on a gap up. Looks like IWM also on a gap up. All right. CNQ should be okay. There's no gap, so we'll see. Does it want to come all the way down? Possible to fill this gap 1.8% before going up? Quite possible. Another two gaps up here, all right? Okay, going back to the levels before I wrap up. Nasdaq 100 near sell zone. So if I go show you NQ, which is a bit delayed, this is a bit delayed, but you can see the levels are 16,977 and up sell zone, 16,828 and below is the buy zone. On ES, 4801 and up is the sell zone, and 4766 and below is the buy zone. All right, guys. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me see if there's anything, any questions. No. Okay, guys. Good luck, and I will see you end of day. Bye.